How to use Juniper Networks review. Properly beginner mistakes that cost you. Juniper Networks offers enterprise networking solutions, but beginners often make mistakes that compromise performance and security. Here's how to use it properly. The first mistake is ignoring proper configuration. Most people get this wrong by relying on default settings. Configure firewalls, switches and routers according to your network requirements to prevent vulnerabilities. Second mistake, neglecting firmware updates. You won't believe how often outdated software creates security gaps. Regular updates ensure devices are secure and perform optimally. Third mistake, not utilizing monitoring tools. The surprising truth is Juniper provides advanced monitoring for traffic, latency and device health. Failing to use these tools can result in unnoticed network issues. Fourth mistake, inadequate backup and recovery planning. Some users assume settings are permanent. Always backup configurations and test recovery plans to avoid downtime during failures. Finally, ignoring documentation and training is common. Juniper offers extensive resources and certifications. Taking advantage of these ensures proper implementation and reduces costly mistakes. By configuring devices correctly, updating firmware, monitoring network health, maintaining backups, and leveraging training resources, you can use Juniper Networks effectively. Avoid these beginner mistakes, and your network will be secure, reliable, and high-performing.